Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO K13x. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now you have to click open and then click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad. Then click allow. And click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and then click allow. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.